Yo, what's going on, guys? My name is Ozzy and I'm back again with another video, and today we have another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the power bank or portable charger sorry, the Anker PowerCore 10,000. Now this is again a portable charger or power bank from Anker. This thing, I did get it on Amazon for about $21. Normally I think it's around $35. It was one of the lightning deals. If I can get this to focus, there we go. It was one of the lightning deals, but I was able to get it for 21. I was in the market for one as I lost my old one. I don't believe it was a PowerCore, but it was from Anker. And I'm already noticing right here that the box is a lot smaller than the other one, so this is going to be smaller than my old one. Alright, so you might be asking yourself, why am I unboxing a portable charger? Okay, there's two reasons. One reason, this is a gaming and tech centered YouTube channel, and what better to charge these tech and gaming accessories than with a power bank. And two, just in case someone out there is trying to see the actual product before, trying to see the size, how it works, how it looks, and hopefully this video will help you make that decision. If you are looking to get one of these and this video help me out with a like, and please subscribe to my channel and for more videos like this in the future. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's get my knife. Make sure I don't slice myself open there. Let's throw it to the side. Now, it is sealed here, so let's go ahead and cut that open. Let's safely put away the knife, and now we got this. Let's start. Let's see what we got. Little tab here to pull it open. And right off the bat, it's a lot smaller than my old one. Now before we do that, let's go ahead and PowerCore. Let me see. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Here we go. PowerCore 10,000 Redux. All right. So we have here. Come on. Choice of 30 million happy users. Fast charging via leading technology, 18-month hassle-free warranty. 18-month warranty is pretty cool because these things do deteriorate over time. So we just got an Anker there. Anker. We got some paperwork here. You don't really need it. It's a power bank. Let's put this to the side and let's just take a look at the product here. Now, before we take a look at the portable charger, this is going to be a mesh holding for it. So we did get and the cable just fell out, but here's a little pouch for it where you can zip it up. It says Anker on there at the end. Let me get the cable really quick. All right, we do have the cable that comes with it. It is Anker branded, and it is a micro USB, so no USB type C, but okay. Someday we'll just live with one cable. All right, that's all we get out of there. Presentation is not bad, guys. If you've seen some of Anker stuff, they're pretty good at presentations and stuff like that, but it's pretty good. It's not bad. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the power bank itself. Why am I having trouble saying that word today? Power bank. Yeah. Alright. And here we go. Here is the portable charger. Now, right off the bat, one observation I'm able to see is that while this is a lot smaller and compact than my last one, it is a lot thicker. So hopefully, this won't get in the way. I won't be carrying this in my pocket, but I can safely put it in a book bag or something like that. So let's go ahead and take a look here. We got, this seems to be the power button, since I didn't read the manual. I don't know. Yep. And we got 2 bars, so about 50% battery in this thing here. Here's where you charge the battery, Anker, the lights, plug it in, and that's about it. Now let me go ahead and plug something into it and see if it charges. Give me 1 second. Alright guys, I went ahead and brought in my PS4 controller to demonstrate the charging on here. This is kind of useless because it will charge, but just to show you guys that it is charging on the power bank and how the lights look. So I'll go ahead and flip it. Where are they? The lights are on this side, but I'll go ahead and lift it up. So what we're gonna do right now is plug it into the controller, and you see it starts to charge. Oh, it's starting to charge. I don't know if this is supposed to pulsate. There we go. And as you can see, the lights are on. Now this it doesn't look like it continuously charges the PS4 controller. That's kind of weird. Let's go ahead and try something else. Give me 1 second. Alright guys, so last test that we're going to do here is the switch. So I'm going to test and see if it charges a switch. Now I don't think that you will actually be able to play the switch and while this charges it. I think you'll have to turn the switch off and let it charge because it's not powerful enough to charge the switch. But here we go, we plugged it in, and as you can see on the top corner there, it is charging, showing us charging up there, and it is charging. Alright guys, so that is the Anker PowerCore 10,000. And again, I was able to get this on a lightning deal for $21. Anker always they kind of put these on sale on Amazon. So if you're looking in the market to get one, I would suggest you get one of these Anker power banks. Alright guys, if you like this video, help me out with a like, subscribe, and until the next one guys, peace.